all my stuffed animals' names, so let's get into it. Number 1, we have Griffey. Chocolate the bear, Love Bug, Angry Bird, Lenny the Leaner, Avery, Love, Jumbo Jr., Fluff the Bunny, Cranberry the Bear. The biggest jumbo ever, Pixie the Unicorn, Snowball the Bear, Sky the Dog, and Mr. Hops. Next clip is styling my brother's hair, so stay tuned. Shall we begin? We're going to start with the ponytail first.
Yeah.
I'll let you guys know when it's done. Now that he has his ponytail in, time for the choke. His look is done.
The pain. It hurts.